This is rock buns, but it is made in a frying method way. It is also known as sweet bud or sweet buns. Trust me, it is so good and very easy to put together. That is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. We share easy recipes here. I believe you will love it here. So kindly subscribe or follow for more videos. Lena is my name and welcome once again. To start with this, I have about 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, can use margarine. I've added my 1/3 cup of sugar. I will just go ahead and then mix it very well. Make sure the sugar dissolves. If it doesn't dissolve as well, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, but make sure you mix it for the butter to become very smooth. Now this is what we have. Go ahead and then add my 2 eggs to that. Okay, if you want to add more eggs, you can go ahead and then add more eggs. With the butter, you can even reduce it, okay, or just maintain this measurement. It shouldn't be too much because we are coming to fry it. Yes, we don't just want it to scatter in the oil. I believe you get me. So mix it very well after you add the eggs, so it mixes very well, and then we can proceed. Next ingredient is my flour. Okay, I've added 2 cups of flour to it. Now I'll be adding extra 1.5 cups of flour. We are using all-purpose flour, but you can just go ahead and then use your soft flour. That is okay. Even if you use hard flour, you will get that perfect outcome you are looking for. Now I've added my nutmeg. Nutmeg plays important role, okay, in this recipe. I have added my 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. If you want to use baking soda, you can just go ahead and do so, but reduce the quantity because the baking soda is harsh, okay, than the baking powder. Okay, so anytime that you are preparing something that you need baking powder and you don't have that, but you decide to use baking soda, you make sure you reduce the quantity. Now I've added my whole milk. Okay, trust me, you can add the milk or you can add water instead. If you want to add it to it, make sure you add it bit by bit. If you are a beginner, okay, yes, add it to it bit by bit, okay, so that you will not spoil the butter. Okay, so that is what I am also coming to do today. I'm also a beginner. So I've added the extra flour we talked about earlier to it, the extra 1.5 cups. So now I will repeat the ingredients we've used so far to you again, okay, so that it will be very easy. So we have our flour, 3.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of nutmeg, 4 spoons of butter, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and then milk. You can either use milk or water, and then you are good to go. Okay, now some parts is very soft and the other part is hard, so I'll make sure I mix it very well to get the perfect outcome we are looking for. Very soft, not hard. If it is very hard, your rock buns is going to be very hard, so make sure you get that perfect outcome. Okay, soft, but not watery. Now I have the oil on fire. It is hot, not very hot, so I will start dropping my buns, just like how we drop our donut. Okay, just scoop it and then drop. You can see how it looks so good. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very happy if you like the video, share to others, leave me a comment in the comment section. Whilst you are dropping them, you make sure you keep an eye on it because you can see some are already well fried. Okay, so if I take a step right now to go and wash my hand before I come and flip it, by the time I will come, it's open. So I will just pick my ladle and then start flipping it. That was the only thing that was closer to me by then. So always make sure you have all your ingredients, or you have all your things that you will use for the frying, okay, so that you will not be in a rush to go and pick them from the kitchen. Today is actually one of the day that I am not in the mood to talk. I am always in the mood to talk, but I just woke up. So yeah, forgive me. This is not how I talk, okay? If today is the first time here, I'm not that slow person. So I'll continue with the flipping till I am done flipping everything, and then we can proceed. So don't come for me and say your hands are, you still have the butter on the hand, and you are using it to hold the ladle before you flip it. So at this moment I went to wash my hand and then pick this, and I am flipping it, okay? Yes, take your time to flip it so that you can get that perfect outcome we are looking for. Just look at that, absolutely good. Ensure that the oil is not the fire is not too high and it's not very low as well. Now some are ready. I'll just go ahead and then remove all of them, and just look at that. We got that perfect rock buns, sweet bud we are looking for. It is supposed to look rocky just like this, but not rough, okay? But not smooth. It's supposed to be rough, just like how you are seeing on the screen. It is just like rock bands, as I told you earlier. Now we are done with everything. We will just quench the fire and just look at that. Oh my goodness, it was so nice and delicious. I was so tired because that same day I made different pastries for my little girl, and this is one of them. Just look at that, so good. It was late, so that is why the destiny changed. And you can see that there is no oil inside. So perfect and very soft, not hard, but very, very, very soft inside, and then the outside was very crunchy. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. Someone may ask if we can bake this. Yes, so if you want the baking version, this is how it looks. Please, it's on the channel. I uploaded it not long ago. Please go through the videos and then watch for me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next upload. You can't afford to miss it. Bye bye.